Hey guys, good morning everyone, good morning, good afternoon. Greet you all according to your time. It's another beautiful day. You're welcome back again to Gucci Lifestyle. So stay tuned to the video. For my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for returning back. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe, okay? I beg you in the name of God, please do wait to subscribe to my channel and help me grow my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Chichi Lifestyle, a new YouTuber based in Plateau State. Please, you can help me by subscribing to my channel, okay? So in this video, we are going to be making beans and yam. Yeah, so we are cooking beans and yam porridge. So as you can see, I'm removing stones from the beans. Would you wait? So here is my beans. Here is my beans. Wait now. Wait, yeah. Oh, daddy. Wait, yeah. So here is my beans, as you can see. So I just got the beans now, and I'm removing the stones, separating stone from beans, right? First, fast, 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 fast. Would you? I'll bring my cane. Oh. Cane. I have cane. I have cane. Flow the room. Daddy, you want mommy to beat you? You want mommy to beat you? I should beat you. Haba. I'll not beat you. Yeah? I will not beat you. Mommy will not beat you. Now you want me to flog you. Hey daddy. You want mommy to flog you? Mommy can never flog daddy. Go. Mommy can never flog you. You know why? Because you're my baby. Mommy can't flog you, right? Because you're mommy's baby. That's why I didn't shakara. You're mommy's baby, right? Like this boy. So I just see the beans. This one is big size. So I prefer it. If I want to do a lele, I will use the small one. But if I'm making, like, if I'm cooking like this, I will use the big size. They call it iron beans, right? But in this iron beans, there are different types. This is the real big size. Tenga. What are you going to do with it? So I'm putting my beans. Water has been boiling. So guys, we'll allow the beans to cook for now. So I'm going to be putting this. The reason I'm putting the spoon inside, if the beans is strong, you know, if there are stubborn beans, then you will cook like hours, it will not done. So if this one is stubborn, it will done in quick. Still remain. There we go. So before I move on my chicken, tomato and my onion. So this is onion. So this is my onion. I'm going to blend this. The beans is almost ready. I don't know when you cook this, half done, half not done. You used to break my heart for this. At this point, I think this is my situation now. Half done, half not done. And this is the reason why I don't like eating this. So let's add our oil.